All right, my friends, for a problem like this, I personally really do like the idea of if in doubt, expand it out. So if I was 1, you'd get 1. If I was 2, you'd get 2. If I was 3, you'd get 3. And if you're horrified that I'm about to write all the way up to 100, I would definitely say that's what plus dot 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 is for. Notice the dots are like at the same level as the horizontal piece of the plus sign. It'd be good if you practice super good notation when it comes to that, because we will be using it quite a bit. And then what I'm going to do is show, since I just showed the first 3 terms, I'm going to go ahead and show the last 3 terms. So what would the last 3 terms have been? Let's see, 98, 99, and 100. Okay. So let's not count on our fingers, shall we? Anyway, and this is, I hope it makes sense. This is an example of an arithmetic sequence. And so the reason it's arithmetic is because to jump from one term to the next, you just keep adding 1. So this is an arithmetic sequence with a common difference of 1. So now that we've recognized that, there's a certain trick you can use on arithmetic sequences. So notice that if you take the first term and add it to the last term, what would you get? You'd get 101. And then if you were to add the second term to the second to last term, what would you get? You'd get, that's right, 101. And what if you added the third term to the third to the last term? You'd get 101 again. So what we can do is take advantage of that and kind of figure out, well, how many 101s would we have? Well, it takes 2 terms to pair up and make 101. And with this problem, it's pretty easy to see we'd have 100 terms. So I hope it makes sense that we'd end up with how many pairs of 101? That's right, 50 101s. And then what would that be? Yeah, 5,050. There you go. So congratulations if you got that. If you did it term by term, then congratulations for having the true grit to hang in there and add that all up. But even better, if you understand the shortcut, then that's great, because it's a huge time saver, you have to admit. Anyway, so let's see if we can use this fun trick with something a little more complicated. Let's see. Yeah, here. Okay, so take a second and consider part B, or a couple seconds, and then see if you can get the answer for this one, and then check in with me at the next video.